Okay, so today we have Dark Tales. Edgar Allan murders in the room Morgue by Big Boy Fish Boy Game Boy Collector's Edition bonus gameplay. Bone. Does he? Bone. That says bone, I think. Yeah. Bonus gameplay. I like boneless better, but what was that? What does it say? Defense strategy guide and concept. Oh, I mean, concept art. It's PC CD-ROM software. It's rated T for only teenagers. And let's see what we got. What will you the reward? Oh, that's fun stuff. I'm just gonna let you read that instead. Let's see, we got solve complex puzzles and discover clues. A hidden object adventure. Hidden object. Oh man, that gets me. I'll never forget. I won't forget this. Oh, what does it say? Gorgeous. Oh, yes, nice. Gorgeous scenes and mysterious atmosphere. Let's see, what does it have? Alcohol reference, tobacco reference, mob blood, and mild violence. Let's see, is it minimum system requirements? Looks like it says Windows XP. What is that? 1 gigahertz processor. 512 megabytes of RAM, DirectX version 8, and 232 megabytes of space. And this was apparently in 2010/2006, I think. So that's kind of sad. Ooh, look at that barcode. Anyways, enough listen to this. Oh, that looks very much like a collector's edition. So let's just open this boy up. Oh, wow! Look at that. So collector's edition. Activision. My boy, Activision. PC, of course. And you got all of this around. Okay, so okay, we took it out. Fresh. Okay. Game overview, general tips. Nice meme. Okay, so let's just grab this boy. And, well, I mean, that's it. New gameplay coming for this soon. Goodbye.